Hey. Oh, did this work? Can you hear me? Hey, Court, do you mind turning that down? Hey, can you hear me?
How's it going?
Hey, good. How you doing?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
So I can't hear you.
No? What about now? Can you hear me? Oh, maybe. Oh, come on. Can you hear me now?
All right.
Shoot.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Huh. It's weird because I can't.
What about now? Can you hear me? No. Yeah, I'm gonna hang up. Hey, can you hear me now? Yes or no? Still no.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hear me?
Let me see if I have to have my headphones plugged in or something. Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
All right.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you now too. I don't know why I have to have my headphones plugged in, but
Oh,
wait. All right.
Cool. I'm doing it on my phone because my laptop's not connected.
Oh, okay.
It's being a pain, so maybe that's why. So,
Could be.
oh, sorry, let me try to get this situated. Cool. Well, you ready to bust through this one?
I'm ready.
Okay.
So number 3, what requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? Mark all that apply. You have to check a simple random sample has to be drawn from each population, correct?
Yep.
And then the sample size must be the same for each group, or is it the X is normally distributed for each group?
I think it's that one. The X or the mean is normally distributed.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's that one. Because the sample size can vary, as long as it's big or small, as long as you're normally distributed, I think you're good.
Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah.
And number 4, the test statistic for hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is a t-score, right?
Correct.
Okay.
That's what I'd go with.
All right.
Two samples are independent if I think it's knowing which subjects will be in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects will be in group 2.
Yep. I agree with that.
Totally separate. Cool. Next one I might need your help on.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out the degrees of freedom.
Okay. Degrees of freedom.
So, let's see. Here's that. I am not finding. Are you finding that formula?
I'm taking a look right now. Let's see.
Oh, okay. I think it was in last week's
Okay. Let's see.
textbook.
Okay, so we have to put it in Excel. I know that much.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay. So we got Excel pulled up.
Okay. Oh, freedom is. Oh, okay, cool. So you take the sample size and you subtract it from, or subtract 1 from it.
Subtract 1 from the sample size.
Yeah, so our sample size is what, 20 people? Oh wait, no. Maybe ours is. We have 40 people, right?
For number 6.
Yeah.
I don't know. Does it say? Let me see here.
So there's like 2 sets of data. So I'm thinking it'd be 40.
Okay.
It's either
Oh,
20 or 40. Which one do you think?
because they're independent samples. So would you do them separately?
Oh, good point. Just
I don't
talked
know.
about that one.
But so you just minus 1 from it.
Yeah.
So it'd be
So it's
19.
n minus 1.
Okay.
So yeah. I think this one you'd subtract it from the 40.
From the 40? Because it's for all
Yeah,
of
I think
Rexburg,
so.
huh?
Yeah,
So it'd just be
I
39
think
then?
it's using all the. Yeah. Yep, I think so.
Okay.
Okay, what is the sample standard deviation?
Is that the 0.10? Oh, that's the level of significance is 0.10.
Uh-huh. Okay, so for standard deviation, we can use Excel. It's STDEV. So the question's asking, which one was it? Deviation for Rexburg.
Yeah.
Let me do that one real quick.
Yeah, and then let's see what you got. We'll compare.
Sounds good. Yeah, I got 208,637.
You got 208,637?
206.
Okay, I got 205.587. Let me try it one more time.
Close.
Yeah.
Did you do yours for Rexburg?
Pretty
Just
sure.
the one side?
Huh? Oh,
Just the one side?
I didn't. I did Idaho Falls and Rexburg.
Okay. I think it's Rexburg. So,
I think you're right. We'll go with your answer. What is it?
okay. 206.637.
206 point what?
637.
637. Okay. Then what is the test statistic? You find that by, it's like the same as the z-score, right? Only you put t.
Yeah. So it's the same formula too, right?
I think so.
Okay.
I need to try and remember what that formula is exactly.
So,
What's the formula for the test statistic?
it is, I'm pulling it up right here. No, that's not the right one. Okay, so it's the x with the line over it, the mean. Is it the sample mean minus the normal mean over what's the insignia that
Oh,
level of significance
yeah.
over the number of n square rooted. That makes sense.
Okay. That does make sense.
So So we'll have to find.
You have to find both means of like Rexburg and Idaho
Yeah.
Falls.
Which one is it asking for? Is it for just overall?
So as well as the standard deviation for Rexburg, and then question 8 just says, what is the test statistic?
Do you think it's overall?
That's a good question.
Okay, level of significance is 0.10. Okay, so what we'll have. Okay, oh, I just found the formula. Found the formula. So what we do is the sample mean 1 minus sample mean 2. And those in parentheses, let me see if I can. Does this show up at all? Maybe not. Probably won't.
What
Can you see that formula there?
Oh, let me see.
Does that come in clear or no?
Well, yeah, doesn't come in clear enough.
Okay. All right. So let me. I think that's the formula we use. So it's x minus x1 minus x2 in parentheses minus mean 1 minus mean 2 in parentheses over the square root. It's like the same formula, but there's two sets in one formula.
It's over the square root of what?
Over. So actually, it's deviation 1 over square root of n1 plus the deviation of 2 over square root of n2.
Okay. What's the symbol for deviation again?
It's like that kind of that circle with the line on top.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so deviation 1. Just repeat the bottom to me one more time.
Deviation 1 over the square root of n1 plus deviation of 2 over the square root of n2.
N2. Okay. And that's the.
That's what we'll use to find the test statistic.
Okay.
There's got to be a way to do it in Excel, but I haven't learned that one yet.
So we've got. I'm just not sure what all the gaps are for that. All the missing pieces.
Yeah. So back to the problem. The only one I don't necessarily know. Actually, maybe we do. So it says let M1 be the mean bill at Idaho Falls office, and let M2 be the mean bill at the Rexburg office.
Okay.
So I think we use Excel to find the averages of the two.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll use that for both the X and the mean.
Okay.
Because I forget what term that is, but they're able to be used both ways.
Mm-hmm. So the mean for Rexburg is 288.597.
Okay.
And that's Rexburg is N1. Oh no, Idaho Falls is U1, mean 1.
Yeah.
we need to know the standard deviation for both as well, right?
I believe that's going to be that 0.10, right?
Well, that's the level of significance.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think that's it.
And N is 40.
So N1 they'll be 20. Both of them will be 20 each.
Oh, 20. Okay.
Oh, sorry. You know what? I think I was wrong with that level of significance.
Oh,
I think we do need the standard deviation.
okay.
Yeah, I think that. Sorry.
Oh, you're good. I hadn't calculated too far into it yet, so
Okay. Okay. So for Idaho Falls standard deviation, I got 208.875.
that's what I got.
Okay.
And then the Rexburg is the 206.637.
Yep. Okay, I've got a problem. Maybe you have a solution to it. Um, your top numbers, do you get 0?
Yeah.
What do we do to fix that?
Let's see. Are you are you sure we minus those across? Like we minus the two ones on top and add the ones on bottom?
That's what the formulas I'm finding online say.
Yeah.
In the z-score formula, you add them though, right?
Trying to remember. Hmm.
Yeah, z-score you subtracted too. Oh, maybe. How do we do that?
Yeah, I don't know.
I, I'm confused about that one.
Same. Hmm.
Well, should we try to go on to the next couple?
Yeah, we're running
Yeah.
out of time fast.
Yeah. So p-value is the next question. Let's see if I can get it to load. Because p-value, it's a simple equation. What was it?
Let me see. So you need the test statistic to find the p-value.
Oh, nice. Okay, well, next one then. Um, 50-50 chance. I'm saying reject.
Say you
Next one
reject
we'll
the
have to,
norm.
yep.
Yeah.
Next one we'll do the fail.
Okay. So suppose instead that you had used the alternative hypothesis. La, 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 what is the correct decision based on this evidence?
What do you think?
I think we would say we have sufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the two cities are different, right? Because the means are different.
Yeah, like
And
quite a bit too.
yeah, that one's saying they're just not equal to each other, right?
Uh-huh.
So
Yep, I'm good with that one.
okay, we suspect that the freshmen from Utah cooked dinner for themselves a different number of times than freshmen from Colorado. Perform a hypothesis test to determine if your suspicion is correct. So Utah cooks more dinner for themselves a different number of times than freshmen from Colorado. Oh, so U1 would have to be just not equal to U2, correct?
Uh-huh.
And what is the test statistic? Oh boy.
Again. Shoot. What lesson had that formula?
I think it's the one last week. I think.
Yeah.
Might have to go. I think I'm gonna have to go meet with a tutor.
Yeah. Figure out. There's just something that I think we're missing, like something like key.
Yeah, me too.
It's just like it's not clicking.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be something really stupid too.
Yeah, just some little thing that's just kicking our butt.
Yeah. Okay. So I found the test statistic formula,
Yeah.
but it's only good. It only has like one data set. Oh, here's shoot.
And for this one, we'd have to calculate all the means and standard deviations off of the Excel thing too.
Yeah.
We got 7 minutes. Crap.
Shoot. Okay. Um, well, darn it.
Yeah. But the good news is I won't have another late Tuesday or Thursday
Hey, there we go.
for a while. So
Nice.
that's a big relief. I would have had time to go through this today. I had a midterm when you have to meet, like I had to meet with my English professor, like present
Oh,
something
really?
to him. Yeah. But she was running 40 minutes behind her schedule. So I didn't get to see her till
Oh,
40 minutes later than I planned.
bummer.
But that's all good. So I guess we're just gonna guess on these.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So 15, I'm gonna say failed to reject.
Gonna say fail to reject.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh shoot.
Then confidence intervals and lower and upper bound. Just
So
plugs.
what was that formula? It was standard deviation over something. What was that?
For confidence interval. I'm not sure.
So it's okay. That's right. Z-score times standard deviation over square root of n.
Hmm.
So we can figure that one out pretty quick, right? Oh, except we need the z-score.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's got to be a way. Oh, did we already pick number 12?
Number 12. Yeah, we said they couldn't be equal to each other.
Okay, yeah. Good. Oh, shoot. Test statistic. Yeah, how do you? I want to know what you use for what you would use for the x and for the mean.
Yeah. Me
Like
too.
what number? We if we had that, we could figure it out.
Oh, do you mean for the? You said for the mean?
I think we know for the mean, but for the sample mean,
Yeah.
that the one with the x. That's the one we don't. I don't think we know.
Yeah. So I just calculated the mean for the Utah freshman was 16.666,
Okay.
and the mean for Colorado was 15.2. Do we need the
Okay.
standard deviation?
And standard deviation. Yeah.
The standard deviation for Utah is 3.420.
Okay.
Standard deviation for Colorado is 4.516.
Okay.
Boy, 1058.
Now, what would you use for the X?
I don't even know.
Oh, could you? Oh, shoot. Could those numbers be the averages we just found? Could those be the X, and then the big M's? Is that like the overall?
I
No, that
think,
wouldn't. They'd have to be separate.
yeah.
Shoot. And I didn't see anything in the text. Nothing in the textbook kind of made any sense of that to me.
Yeah, me neither. It's a complicated textbook to understand.
There's just something we're missing.
Yeah. Oh,
Well, submit it and see.
yeah,
Sorry about that.
that's okay. I wasn't any help either. It is.
Just got to get that exit. Yeah.
Hey, we got the right.
Well, thanks for trying, anyways.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. 52.63%.
Hey, moving up from last week.
That's right. Yeah, I think next week, because I have a class that's over after this week. So I think next week
cool.
I'm gonna go meet with a tutor and see if I can't figure out what we're missing.
Yeah. No, whatever information you can find, be helpful.
Yeah, and I'll have more time to go through the assignments and stuff too. So
Okay. Cool.
I survived these 2 weeks, so
There you go. Good stuff. Well, cool. Thank you, man.
yeah, thank you. I'll post this on the thing too. So
Awesome. Post the struggle.
that's right. All right.
Cool.
See you, Cody.
Thank you. We'll see you on Tuesday.